In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OneDrive to n8n. By the end, you'll have your Microsoft OneDrive account linked and ready to use inside your n8n workflows, so you can automate file actions without any manual uploads or downloads. First, open n8n in your browser and make sure you're signed in. If you see the login button in the upper right, click it and complete the sign-in. Being logged in ensures your new connection is saved to your account and available whenever you build a workflow. Next, look to the upper left of the n8n interface and click the plus button. This is where you add new resources. From the options that appear, choose Credential. This opens the Credential Manager, which is where all your app connections live. Select the Personal tab to store the connection under your user so it's available to you across your workflows. A pop-up window will appear with a list of services. In the search field, type Microsoft Drive. This filters the list so you can quickly find the correct connector. Click Microsoft Drive OAuth 2. OAuth 2 is the standard secure way to grant n8n permission to access your OneDrive without sharing your password directly. Then click Continue to move to the connection screen. Now click Connect My Account. Your browser will open a Microsoft sign-in window. If it doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow pop-ups for n8n. In the Microsoft window, sign into the account that has the OneDrive you want to use. You may be asked to verify your identity, especially if your organization requires multi-factor authentication. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You'll see a permissions screen explaining what n8n is requesting, such as the ability to read and write files so your workflows can upload, download, or list items. Review the details and click to grant access. This step authorizes n8n to communicate with OneDrive on your behalf. Once you complete the prompts, you'll be returned to n8n, and the credential will show as connected. At this point, your OneDrive account is successfully linked. You can now select this credential whenever you add a Microsoft Drive node in a workflow and start automating tasks like syncing folders, backing up files, or retrieving documents. If you're ever switching accounts, repeat the same process and choose the right Microsoft profile during the pop-up. And if you run into any issues, double-check the pop-up blocker, make sure you're logged into n8n, and confirm you completed the permission step. That's it. Your OneDrive is now connected to n8n and ready for automation.